Good afternoon and welcome. We are on another Vendici Take a Tour, a Mimosa, a 2-bed, heart of VALE do Lobo. In need of potentially a renovation, that seems to be the way. But let's go in and have a look. People that would know these properties, the traditional marble flooring, the bathroom off the hallway to your right, these sort of curved walls that sort of give this sort of very much that sort of Moorish vibe that people like. Again, the high ceilings that you see, the original traditional doors. This is very much a villa in its original state. To the right we have the bedroom on the north side of the property. And here we have a big bedroom actually on the south side of the property. Again, everywhere you look, these beautiful high ceilings, original Louvre doors. Anybody that's seen these properties once they've been renovated, I mean, they are unique, they are special, and they offer a lot of living space. We did some days ago take a tour on a 3-bedroom renovated Mimosa, and it just transforms the whole feeling of these properties. Obviously the walls tend to get smooth, that gives a more contemporary look. The kitchen, as you see, classic original state. There's always a little courtyard off the kitchen, but then it sort of flows, it goes out onto this lovely terrace that you'll see. It's a good space out here actually. It has a nice kidney pool, ladrillia tiles. Yeah, what is possible here? Well, a lot. Some people actually knock these walls down to make it feel more open. This particular property is very private, I have to say. You're not overlooked whatsoever, which is great. Going back into the property itself, as I say, people take these doors out, they put glass in there, create a winter room in this part of the villa. Great property. In its current state, it works. It's probably more of a summer house in its current state, but the potential here is immense. But obviously we can give you information in terms of what we consider the build costs would be, depending on what sort of level you want to renovate at. Give us a call. Thank you very much for taking this tour.